Hello homeowners, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I have 6 tips for you related to fall, things that you can do right now in your home. The number one is related to outdoor, and of course I want to talk about gutters. Make sure your gutters are clean, make sure your downspouts are clean, make sure you got a good airflow going through those gutters, because when winter comes, if you have leaf in there and they get frozen, you're gonna have water issues. Number two, make sure that the water runs away from the house at least 3 feet away. If you have a puddle of water next to your foundation, water will go back in and you're gonna have water issues. Number three, if you have a sprinkler system, right now is the time to call your company, have them winterize those sprinklers. Make sure you don't have any water, because if it gets frozen, you're gonna have issues. Number four is put your garden hose away. Make sure you don't forget to do that. If temperature drops, the water, your garden hose will get frozen. It will break, and then you have to buy a new one. Number five, cut off water to those outside spigots. As you know, in many homes, in most homes, you got those outdoor spigots where you connect your garden hose. Make sure you cut off the water going to those. Make sure you put those covers on it, the ones you can get in Home Depot, Lowe's, places like that. Number six, and the last one, if you like to do, like myself, your own mowing, if you cut your grass, now is the time to get all your mowing tools, your lawnmower, your blower, clean them up, do maintenance. If you have to take it to a shop, do it, and then put them away, because you won't be using any of those. But those are my 6 tips for you, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video. Thank you.